Business and data have gone together from the beginning. Take an ancient herdsman bartering his flock. How many goats will he sell? What will he get in return? The herdsman deals with these data in-house, in his own memory. But what if memory fails? What if buyer and seller later disagree about the price they set? And what will this mean for potential future orders? Points of failure like this led humanity to outsource data storage using the first information technology, writing. Through writing, data can be sent, received, stored, and retrieved. Laws can be set down, treaties entered into. With written contracts, business no longer needs to be carried out face-to-face. Our herdsman becomes a trader, traveling the seas, buying and selling on different shores. By sharing the latest information technology, the alphabet, he can build the foundations of a connected civilization, just as the Phoenician traders did. But writing is slow and expensive. As trade increases, business demands faster, less costly data technology. With the invention of the printing press, data can be reproduced instantly and distributed cheaply. Among the most popular early products of those presses are merchant manuals. Through them, the latest business techniques and technologies are passed on swiftly, reducing training time and enabling our trader to expand ever more rapidly. Our trader becomes a merchant, joining others to buy and sell across the globe. He controls fleets and uses new accounting techniques such as double-entry bookkeeping. As his business grows, he demands ever faster data networks, moving from foot, horse, and sail, first to rail, road, and steamships, and then to telegraph, telephone, and radio. Business becomes truly global. The data required to support it flows across continents in seconds, but takes our trader, now a businessman, ever longer to record, and requires ever greater room to store. Help is at hand. A new data revolution begins when food manufacturer Lions & Co. builds Leo, the world's first business computer. Designed to take over accounting and bookkeeping tasks, it frees our trader to devote time to his business and expand his horizons once more. Yet as business grows, data grows with it. At the same time, new technologies, personal computers, the fax, create new ways to trade and to record those trades. Yet more powerful technology is needed. Companies become home to room-filling computers, then to terminals on every desk, and more of our trader's time is needed to support his data network. Our trader is already running to keep up, but with the coming of the World Wide Web and wireless networks, data explodes. Thanks to smartphones, tablets, and the rise of the app, today every business is a digital empire, with our trader linked to his employees, customers, suppliers, resellers, and distributors, each with more technological power in the palm of his hand than our trader had in his whole organization just a few years before. And the data itself has passed from our trader's own servers to the cloud. Where once he was a simple herdsman bartering face-to-face, now every deal our trader makes involves hundreds of links, each link a potential point of failure. Yet everyone expects those deals to be transacted instantly and faultlessly at the swipe of a single finger. Once more, our trader must devote more and more business time to the data network and less to the business itself. Unite BT knows our trader wants to rule his digital empire, not be a slave to data. Turkey's largest independent IT services manager, Unite BT has dealt with the country's biggest companies across banking, telecoms, media, and utilities. It is devoted to ensuring everyone from multinationals to humble herdsmen can leverage the technology that powers trade as smoothly, swiftly, and transparently as possible, freeing them up for the business of business itself, making each an emperor in our digital civilization. Unite BT. Unite business with technology.